Hey guys, so today we are learning how to make this flower vase or a pen holder. You can use it as a pen holder as well. So I made this video as a short, so I did not take a long tutorial for this. So we'll be making another model to show you how to do this. And for the tulips, I have a shorts video for the tutorial. I will give the link in the description. Do check it out. And if you are still finding it difficult, let me know in the comments. I'll be making a long video. So I made some modules here. I will teach you how to do this. So we are using different colors this time. So before I used more thicker paper. It was I think 160 GSM. As you can see, it is a textured paper. It is more thick. It is little bit difficult to fold because of the strength of the paper. Here I am using a memo pad. These come in different colors, yellow, pink, and everything. So I'll show you how to make a module using this. So take a piece, and it should be a square piece. This is, I think this is 9 centimeter. And you need to cut off the extra things. Sorry for that. Okay, now let us start. First fold it diagonally. Like this. Then bring this to the top like a fold. Do the same on the other side. Open it, flip it upside down, rotate it upside down. Then bring this towards the top, open it, then fold this portion again, close it. Our module is ready. Okay, don't worry about this will go inside. Okay, so now let's make 3 more like this, same, right? Now I am inserting this, okay, like this. If you want, you can use glue here, but I think it stays well together. So insert like this. Okay, done. Now bring this side together to the other side and then close it just like this, and you are done. This is ready. So I have made a few more like this. So let me figure out the design which I want, like the color pattern, because it's very interesting, right? So I think green will go down. This design looks nice, right? Or this also looks nice. Yeah, this one is nice. So we're gonna stick it like that. But before that, as we decided this is the bottom, we are making a pink model for the bottom portion, right? Now fold it halfway like this, fold it into half, make a crease, repeat on the other side, just like this. Open it and bring it to the center, just like this. Repeat on all the 4 sides. Okay, I'm doing it quickly so that the tutorial will not be very long and boring. So I hope you guys understand. So now we are going to insert this. You can make it with different color as well, but I like pink, so I'm adding the pink color itself. You can do it with your own time. Okay, done. Carefully insert. If you want, you can add glue, but I really don't like to use glue if it is unnecessary. If it is not staying together, you can apply glue, no problem. For me this is good, this feels good. Okay, right, now this is the next color which is going inside. So what we're going to do is do like this, and we're going to stick it like this. Okay, first we will add some glue on all these areas. I like to add little bit glue. I use a very less glue in my projects. I don't know why I don't like to use it too much. Maybe because I'm an origami artist, I don't like glue that much. Okay, now press each and every side. Make sure you have kept it in the right position. Rotate, keep on pressing slightly without damaging the shape that we are creating here. Okay, and the lesser the glue is, the lesser the time it takes to stick together, because it's very thin, right? So it will dry faster. So that's how you add the basic base layer like this. Okay, now for the next layer, we have decided the green color, right? So we're taking the green one. Okay, quickly applying the glue, pressing it together and rotating it. And don't try to make it too much perfect, okay? It's handmade craft, it will not be 100% perfect. It is how it is. You need to love it the way it is coming out, right? Right, next layer. And I'm sorry for not making this tutorial even though so many people requested. I am sometimes very lazy, guys, because already I made this for the short video, so I don't like repeating stuff. So but I thought, okay, this will be fun to make it again, because this is one of my favorite flower vases which I made as well. So our final layer is coming together. I love how the color looks. I really love the pastel colors. It is looking so creamy, like ice cream. Oh, it's so cute. It's really different from the previous one that we made, but it's really cute. I think you guys will love this model. I really do. Oh my god. So this is how we make the flower vase. So this one is bigger model, this is a smaller model. I think I have used 7 centimeter. I think you guys can check it on the short video. I have given the measurements. This is 9 centimeter squares. This is I don't remember the settings of the measurements. So let's try with the flowers. Actually I've done a trick here, because the flower was not sitting in the center. I have put one model inside it. I hope I can take it out. Yeah, this is not necessary, just for a base for the flower to sit in, so that it doesn't go deep inside, right? If you have bigger flowers, you can use that. Okay, so these are the result. Okay, so let's try with some pens. Okay, wow, it can hold a lot of pens actually. It's nice, really nice. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe and let me know what you guys think of this video in the comment section. Bye bye.